In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a trade on eToro. We'll walk through the process of partially closing an open trade so you can reduce your position without exiting it completely. This can be useful if you want to lock in some profit, lower your exposure, or simply manage risk more carefully while still keeping part of the trade active. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before making any changes, since you'll be working with live positions in your portfolio. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This is where you can view all of your current open trades, along with important details like performance, invested amount, and asset information. Take a moment to locate the position you want to work with, especially if you have several trades open. Next, select the trade you want to partially close. Open that position so you can access its available actions and review the full details. It's a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the correct trade before moving forward, because this step affects an active investment. After that, click the Close button. This opens the Close Trade window where eToro gives you options for how you want to proceed. Since the goal here is not to exit the trade entirely, look for the option labeled Close Specific Positions and select it. Now you'll be able to enter the amount of the trade you want to close. This is the key step in a partial close. Be careful here and make sure you're entering only the portion you want to exit, while leaving the rest of the position open. If you're unsure, pause for a moment and review the numbers before confirming. Once the amount is entered, review all the details shown on the screen. Check the amount being closed, confirm the position information, and make sure everything matches your intention. This quick review helps prevent mistakes and gives you one final chance to adjust the transaction if needed. When everything looks correct, confirm the action to partially close the trade. After the platform processes your request, part of the position will be closed, and the remaining portion should stay open in your portfolio. Finally, go back and verify the remaining position. Confirm that only part of the trade was closed and that the rest is still active. This final check is important so you can be confident the adjustment was completed properly. That's how to close part of a trade on eToro without fully exiting the position. Thanks for watching.